It looks nice on everyone. Nafa kunafa 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 kunafa. The most full coverage concealer I have ever tried in my life. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay, and over here we do beauty related videos, and if that sounds like something you're interested in, please be sure to subscribe. So today, as you can see by the title, we're going to be talking about some worth the hype products. So if you don't already know, Black Friday is coming up really soon, and I just want to let you in on some products that might be worth spending your coin on. And if this video gets to you after Black Friday, I still think it's worth it full price. Like, products that are just, they do the damn thing, okay? So before we get into this video, I just want to let you into an honorable mention. So some of you guys might already know that I've worked with Ana Luisa in New York before. Ana Luisa is a jewelry company that provides 100% recycled, sustainable, beautiful, luxury, affordable jewelry. And I worked with them before and I've been left nothing short of happy. Like, I love their jewelry. So today they have provided me with another 2 items to share with you guys. They're also going to be doing a Black Friday sale, so I suggest you get on it. It's a good place to get some gifts from. But yeah, onto the 2 products. So they have provided me with this beautiful necklace and also this beautiful matching bracelet. It's so cute, it's right up my alley, so dainty, so elegant, so adorable. But yeah, I love this stuff. I suggest you go check them out. So on top of their Black Friday sales, I'm also gonna have a discount code for you guys. So the discount code will be on the screen right here and also in my description box. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So as self-proclaimed lip gloss queen, lip combo queen, it's only right that I start off with some lip products. And one lip product that is worth the hype for me is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. So the one I'm showing you right now is the original gloss bomb, the Fenty Glow Bomb. It is gorgeous. It smells amazing. It looks beautiful on the lips. It looks nice on everyone. And for this lip gloss, if you know me, I mean, as you can see right now, I like a high shine lip gloss. And this gives you that without being sticky, without being thick, without being gloopy. It's a nice hydrating lip gloss, and I definitely recommend it. If you haven't heard it before, where were you? But I'm sure a lot of you have heard about it before, but if you just needed that extra little push to go and get it, I'm your push. The only thing is, I would suggest maybe just getting one color because they are extremely sheer. So I'll just say get one color. Don't go out and get every single color because there's not a major difference between all the shades. Last year I did a video on all the shades they had at the time, so if you want to see that, I'll have that linked right up here. So on to the next. So staying with the lip gloss theme, I'm gonna give you a nice dupe for the Fenty lip gloss. So the dupe is the Kiko Hydra lip gloss. It's so beautiful. This also smells amazing, but this smells kind of different. It smells like cake. It's so I love this lip gloss. It also has like a nice juicy high shine, nice pouty lip to it. But when I say it's a dupe, I mean the formula is very similar to the Fenty. However, the shades are not really correlating. So I also think this is a little bit more pigmented than the Fenty, but also very sheer. So I would still say don't go crazy. Maybe get like a few shades, but don't outdo yourself. This is not exactly what you're looking for if you're looking for something a bit more pigmented. This is just a very nice subtle wash of color. Very beautiful, very everyday, very juicy, gorgeous, lovely. You already know that. Moving on to the third product that is worth the hype. So the next product that is worth the hype is the Nars Longwear Radiant Foundation. I'm sure you've heard about this a million times. Every single product that you've heard, every single product that's going to be mentioned in this video is going to be something that you've heard of before, because these are overhyped products. But I'm just letting you know that they don't work. The hype, like, there's a reason why they're hyped. This foundation, when I first tried it, I was like, I don't know, it's alright. But slowly I found myself falling in love with it, and no foundation could compare. no foundation could really compare to this. Like this foundation, it has a great coverage, it has a skin-like finish, it just leaves you looking like it's you. It's not the makeup, it's you. That's gorgeous, and that's why I love this foundation. I love the shade selection. Like I use the shade Macao, and I feel like it blends so well into my skin. Like it gives me everything, and it's not overly oily. When I first tried it, I thought it was a bit too oily, but then you just need to use the right kind of primer, the right kind of products to work with it, and you'll be in love. This is a good one. So another foundation that is really worth the hype, this is product number 4. This is the NYX Born to Glow foundation. This is also very beautiful. Like I love when I use this foundation, it just gives me this glow. Like if you notice, I don't really go for like matte foundations. Matte foundations are just not my jam, just because I have like combination skin, and when I wear matte foundations it just feels like my life is being sucked out. Whereas this look, it goes very comfortably on the skin. It's very beautiful. It has a good coverage. It's like a medium coverage. It's just everything and more for £10. And now for product number 5, we move on to the most full coverage concealer I have ever tried in my life. Like this concealer is everything. Everything. And if you want a video on my favorite concealers, let me know, because your girl knows a thing or two about full coverage concealers, okay? So I have like really deep set eyes, and I run the risk of looking tired all the time, so I'm always looking for a foundation that can like cover up all the bags, cover up all the darkness, and make me look radiant, fresh, awake. And this foundation does that, and it just looks so creamy, so smooth on the skin. Like it doesn't leave like really deep marks or anything like that. You know how some concealers crease really badly? Don't do that. This is like the most flawless, perfect, everything concealer I've ever tried. And I'm so sorry I haven't said the name yet, but this is the I was about to say Kevin Hart. This is the Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer. I use this shade SX11, and that is a bit bright. SX12 is the next shade down, and I find that shade to be a bit too olive, a bit too yellow. So when I put it on, it just looks like I have yellow underneath my eyes, which is no bueno. So this is a bit bright, but then you can mix it into any other concealer and it just gives it like that more coverage. So that is what I'm doing now. But yeah, this is what the concealer looks like, and a little goes a long way. So yeah, if you haven't tried this and you're looking for something full coverage to just wipe away your under eyes, this is the one. Now, there was a lot of hype surrounding this next product. This product number 6 is the e.l.f. Hydrating Under Eye Concealer. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I just picked this up recently, and I've heard a lot about it, and I was so hesitant to pick it up because there was also a lot of hype around the 16-hour wear concealer. So this is like a matte finish, and this is more of a hydrating skin-like finish, and this is so much better. I didn't like this concealer because I felt like it dried too quickly, and when I tried to blend it, it left out like dark patches underneath my eyes, and I just got finished telling you about how I like my under eyes to be flawless. So this was just not giving me that. It wasn't giving me that at all. So I was hesitant to try it out, but after so much hype and seeing it in the shops all the time, I decided to pick it up, and it's actually really good. I really like it. I especially like the shade range, and I like the darker shades so I can use it on like a more natural day. And yes, it does give you a good coverage, but like because I'm using a darker shade, it just kind of balances out. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, I really like the concealer. I was surprised and I was happy. So I've lost count of what number in the list we are. But for setting powder, this powder, I have not dropped it since the day I got it. Like every time I try to use something else, I'm just like, but can I just but I know I need to have a bit of diversity, a bit of range on my channel. But this powder is my one-stop shop. Like, I love the way this powder looks on me. So this is the Huda Beauty. So this is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder, and I use the shade Banana Bread. I was a bit hesitant at first on what shades to get because I initially, when I was hearing about it, the hype was kunafa, 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 and I just didn't want to get kunafa because I have the Sacha Buttercup, and kunafa and the Sacha Buttercup look identical. So I was just like, kunafa, I'm not sure about her. Like, the Sacha Buttercup looks so yellow underneath my eyes to the point where I look yellow, like I look stark yellow. I look like I have jaundice or something. So I was like, no to the Huda Beauty Kunafa, and I was thinking maybe Blondie, maybe I'll get Blondie, maybe I'll get Blondie. And then just as I was about to get Blondie, one of my faves said she uses Banana Bread, which I hadn't considered before because I was like, this is white. But I ended up just getting it just to see how it would look on me, and I'm hooked. I'm hooked. I love it. I recommend it. If you're my skin tone, try it out. Try it out and see, especially if you like what you see going on here. It's her. She does it. But the only complaint is it is a little bit on the heavy side. It is a bit on the heavy side. So if you do want something lighter, the next product is the one for you. So this is the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and believe it or not, I only just got it this year, and I got it like maybe a month or two before I got the Huda. And the painful thing about it is that it was such a beautiful powder, but ever since I've gotten the Huda, I've not been shown this one much love. But this powder is really beautiful, especially if you want like a light finish, like a light coverage. And when I say that, I don't mean light in color, I mean light as in texture, weight. This is very lightweight, very beautiful, very airbrushed. This is a good powder. This is a good powder. It's really worth the hype. I'm sure you've been hearing about it for years on YouTube, but the Laura Mercier translucent powder is everything. But the only thing is, like, when you want that full glam look, I'll go with Huda. But yeah, this is really nice. It's really lightweight. It's very good for, especially if you have dry skin, you might prefer this over the Huda. The Huda is a bit heavier, so it might feel a bit too drying for you if you have dry skin. But because I have oily skin, I'm just like, cake it on my face. Give me everything you have. But yeah. So I have this in translucent, but if I were to like finish this and repurchase, I'll repurchase the honey shade. And now onto mascara. We're going back to Huda Beauty. The legit lashes Huda Beauty mascara is divine. Like the way my natural lashes look with this mascara, it's insane. And I don't have long lashes, I have little baby lashes. My lashes are scanty, everything, and this just gives me like that amazing lash look. It makes me look like I was just born with spider legs on my eyes. I love it. I'll insert a picture like maybe here or here, wherever, on the screen just so you can see the magic it was giving me and my baby lashes. So imagine if I had spider lashes already. And last but not least, I don't have the product right here to show you. I don't know where I put it. I lost it, but it's somewhere in this house, so I ain't tripping. So the last product is the Be Perfect times Stacy Marie Carnival palette times 2. They have 3 of them, but I only have the second one, and the second one is like everything you need in a palette. It has your neutrals. I'll pop it on the screen just so you can see. It has your neutrals, it has your brights, it has your colorful. It has just a nice range. Like if you just want an all-in-one, everything encompassing palette, go for that palette. I just feel like any look I want to do in this life, I can get it from that palette. That palette is like a one-stop shop. And that brings us to the end of the video. So I'll have all the links in the description for all the products I got. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comment box. I love to converse with you guys. Also, don't forget to shop Anna Louisa. Don't forget to use my code. Don't forget to get yourself, your mom, your sister, your auntie presents. And that is it for today, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you're not subscribed already, I hope to see you in the next one.